Well, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick salad update. As you can see today, I was updating my salad miners basically to 1.65, I believe, right? Is that what the version is? So let's check it out. Yeah, to 1.6.5. So I updated all the miners, all 6 of them. There was probably a couple of them working, and obviously when I did it is the miner had to restart. I mean the application Salad had to restart, and I think I got maybe I lose a couple jobs, but then it's restarted when I did it properly. But let me open all of them and I'll show you. Well, actually, I noticed after a few hours, and maybe that's why I have the major issue with this big decline here, and obviously all of my machines kind of start dropping down and out. So what I think is vmem is got lost after I updated. So basically I've checked it first and it was there, and probably after restarted, so this machine I had it back running. It's 3090 and it went up to vmem, and virtual memory or whatever it is, it's been working, and this probably the only machine got the job back in right there and mining. So other machines had no vmem. I just activated, so this is just a quickly to show you if you do an updates you potentially gonna lose that, and I've had it several times when I restart computer or something else or restart the app. The vmem is not always popping up back for me, so really I had just to restart on all 5 machines. One I restarted first of all, I noticed, but the other was there and it disappeared after update. I checked it, it was there, but it's kind of disappeared after an hour. I don't know what happened there. I haven't checked kind of frequently, but here how I get it usually back in. So quickly just show you. I'm just going to settings. Basically it's pretty simple. You go to the app, you click there on by the logo and to the settings. Once you're in the settings, you scroll down all the way and go to workload preference here, and you have here GPU and CPU enabled, but for some reason I noticed the only way how I get vmem activated, it's not by restarting the salad but disabling first 2 of them, and then I enable back of them too, and look, the vmem gonna appear right away, boom. And so I activated on all of this, all 5 of the rest of the machines. So one was I activated and it stays there, but the others just kind of disappear. The vmem disappear, and I think that not making the salad work properly. I don't know if I'm correct there, but that's what I'm basically getting from other salad miners or salad users, YouTubers. Anyways, I hope that will help someone like checking out and make sure after the update you're actually there with vmem and you're back online. So looks like I got them all. Let's check one more time. I'm gonna go there and open all of these, all 6 tabs again, and make sure all 6 of them has vmem actually currently running. So in task manager and processes, you're gonna see this when you select the memory by memory organize. It will be right on the very top always for you. So kind of like checking all of them. vmem there, vmem here on the 3rd machine, on the 4th machine now, on the 5th, and on the 6th one. Okay, perfect. So I got all of them, and then I'll check is like if the memory, if GPU working, then I know it's the most likely it's kind of getting some friction there or some jobs. If the GPU or memory use like on this one, right? So even though it's gonna say calculating, it still probably start working on some of the jobs. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Just quickly one update. If you guys updating your Salad app, so to make sure you get back fully online, because you may gonna have this a quick decline on your chopping there, right? So make sure VMM working actually. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.